Hey guys, Mike here with Atlas Rim Repair. I'm going to show you what happens today when a wheel gets degreased and washed right immediately after I had just repaired it and painted it. So you can see the paint has kind of got scrubbed off. You have to let that clear coat cure first. You want to wait a couple days before you wash it after it's repaired. This is a dealership I do work for and they just forgot. So I'm just out here to touch these up. All we're going to do on this is take the scuff pad and just lightly go over the previous repair where the paint has come off. And we're going to shoot some new paint on this. Just a few spots. It's also got tires recently put on. I think it was yesterday, so it kind of got some of that tire gunk they used on here. But we're scuffed. Now we're just going to wipe any dust off. And on this wheel we're using the Dark Hyper. I believe this is linked in the description below. If not, it will be shortly. While I'm spraying this paint on here, if you guys wouldn't mind hitting that like and subscribe button, we'll get this wheel finished up again. Alright, then we'll go over the entire perimeter of the wheel again with the clear coat, and this wheel will be done again.